Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. In this video, I am going to give you three different card chess tactics for advanced chess players. Please watch this three chess tactics video in chess. The last tactic is very important. Please don't miss the last chess tactics. Okay. Now let's go to the card chess tactics 1. Okay. Hello everyone. Let's go to the card chess tactic 1. How to black win the game, why the checkmate. Okay. Let's go to the moves. Black win the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is bishop go to c5, black bishop go to c5 and beautiful check here. Then if white has keep black the check with this knight. Okay, now knight come to here on f2 and black the check with knight. In this particular chess game, white black the check with knight and now black check. Black bishop take the knight and again check there. In this time, if king cross f2, then beautiful check with queen. Queen b6 and beautiful check here. Then king go to f3. Then we will see how to can this match black. Now black bishop go to e4 and check. If king go to e2, black has two options. One is bishop cross g2 check, discovered check, or bishop d5 check. You will see I am going to teach you this bishop come to here or here. Okay, if the bishop cross g2, then beautiful check here, discovered check. If king has two way to move, if king go to here on d2, now two option black has. One is if here come to e3 and beautiful checkmate. If go back, I will show you. If go back here, then if king queen come to here and beautiful checkmate. Now go back now. Now check with bishop. Then king go to e2. If black bishop come to d5, what happen? If bishop come to d5, then queen go to d2. Then beautiful checkmate with the black queen. That's it. This is the beautiful chess card tactics for advanced chess players. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's go to the chess tactics for advanced chess player, card chess tactics 2. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sharmilan Chess. Okay. This is tactics 2. Okay, let's go to the moves. This is very card chess tactics for advanced chess players. Please watch until finish this video. Let's go to the in this particular chess tactics, white win the game, why black lost the game. I am going to teach you and explain deeply and smartly. Let's go to the moves. First move is white chain, white bishop take the black bishop, then king take the bishop, then bishop go to d6, then rook take the queen, then bishop take the black queen, then rook cross b8. Totally this game white win easily because white has so many pieces. Okay, that's why black lost the game. We can see another particular chess ideas. Go back now. If bishop take the bishop, rook take the bishop, no, king do not take the bishop in this particular chess game. If rook take the d7, squares bishop, what happened? Okay, now queen cross h8. That's it. If he moves like this, then wrap the queen. Totally this game, if wrap the queen, totally white has so many pieces. That's why this game easily won white. Okay, let's go to the another particular idea. If bishop take the bishop, if king take the bishop, then bishop take the go to d6. What happened? If king queen cut the d6, what happened? If white queen take the f7 squares, okay, 4 and check, Now totally king go to c8. That's it. Totally this game white win easily. Okay, we can go to the tactic 3. That's it. Today second tactics is ended now. We will go to the tactics 3. Okay. Hello chess friends and chess lovers, this is tactics 3, very card chess tactics for advanced chess players. How to checkmate in 7 moves only, black win the game, this particular chess tactics. Okay, we will see. First move is white chain, white queen go to d1, then knight cross c4. Now black chain, white queen come to e2. Okay, now black has 3 options. The second move is black has 3 options. First one is if the rook take the knight, or knight take the rook, or the queen take the rook. We will see one by one. First one is if rook cross c2 knight, what happen? Okay, please watch carefully. Okay, if cut the knight by the black rook, then rook cross c2. Now black has another move of knight cross f2 rook. If queen cross f2, then rook cross f3, then beautiful move made black. Black made a beautiful move. That's why this game easily win the game for black. Okay. Now rook c8 and check. Then king go to f7. Then queen cross b6. That's it. In one move, black win the game. Checkmate. Rook f1 and beautiful checkmate. Okay. This is the variation is different. I am going to give you the another variation. We can go back now. If queen come to here, then knight cross e4, then queen come to e2. We saw already if knight take the rook take the knight, what happen? If knight take the rook, what happen? We will see. Okay. If knight cross f2, then queen cross f2, then that's it. This game black win. If the queen is gone, if cut like this, that's it. Totally this game black has so many pieces. That's why easily won the game black. Okay, now go back now. Okay, first move is white chain, queen go to d1, knight e4, queen e2. Now another option, queen cross f2. I saw already. If this queen cut like this, what happened? We will see. If queen take the rook, then queen cross f2, then knight cross f2, then king cross f2. That's it. Totally this game black has so many pieces. That's why this game easily win the game black, because if push the pawn here, that's it. If this bishop cannot go anywhere, f3 squares, white bishop cannot go anywhere. Okay, if move like this, then wrap the bishop. Totally this game black win the game. Okay, that's it. Today chess tactics video. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you.